Alright, hey guys, this is my video about the Toyotress passion twist that you guys know I had in for about 2 months or so. I wanted to get that style because basically I never had it before. I wanted something different. I was tired of doing sew-ins and stuff like that and closures that don't last a long time. You don't see it in my hair right now. I do have a quick weave, but I'm gonna tell you everything about the hair from start to finish. I had it in for 2 whole months, so I can definitely give you guys an honest review about it. I bought the hair with my own money. I paid about $70 and I got 8 packs of hair, I believe. So each pack comes with 12 strands in the pack. So don't basically use all the hair except for 1 pack. It looked a little extra full of me. You'll see it in my first video when I said it's a little bit too full for me and stuff like that. So basically day 2 of having that hair and my neck started hurting crazy, like I talked about in my last video. So I basically took out a pack and a half of the hair and it felt a lot better, a lot lighter. So that was that. So then I had no trouble with the hair whatsoever. Like there was no shedding of any kind. My head was not itchy from the hair at all. I don't know what they did, but I had no irritation at all whatsoever. So had the hair in for 1 month, and so you know how I had my hair. My hair was individual at the top, and then towards the back was all crochet, because I didn't want the crochet look. I wanted the individual look, but I didn't want to pay the individual look money. So it was a win-win for me. It was easy to deal with and everything like that. Every day I did my baby hairs, so it doesn't matter if I woke up looking crazy. All I had to do was just do my baby hairs, spray some spritz on my hair, and I was good to go. I put some mousse, and the mousse that I used for my hair was Lotta Body mousse. I love that mousse. It was so good. I used the whole bottle actually. I'm gonna get that mousse again when and if I get this style again. So yeah, definitely invest in some mousse, some spritz, which I have right here. Some spritz. Do not spray too much of this because you will have like a crusty head basically. You cannot wash the individual area. Also get Eco Styler gel, or I do like the edge booster, edge control. You can use that, but that does flake after a while. You can always just wash your edges. And I also like, my favorite one is the Even New York 24-hour edge control with the purple top. That's the one I use the most out of everything. You can also use Got to Be gel or spray or whatever you want to do your edges. So that's what I do. The main thing is to have your edges laid all the time with that hair. So how I tied my hair up at night was we used a scarf, a satin scarf, and I tied it up. I also have like a long bonnet type of thing. It's like for dreads, but it looks like a do-rag. I think I explained this in my last video. So I use that as well, and I also use a bonnet sometimes when I was super lazy, but I wouldn't recommend that because it makes your hair older faster. Just do not have your hair rubbing on the pillow, and you can also get like a satin scarf or something like that. After the 3rd week, it got super old up here, so I had her redo the whole front, not the crochet back, but the whole front was redone and refreshed and everything like that. And she actually used some of the hair that I took out from my head being so heavy, and she used the pack that I had left. So this will definitely get you through 2 months or more, depending on how you do the style. Yeah, so she did that. It was cool. I got so many compliments on that hairstyle. Like, never got that much compliments on any hairstyle I ever did in my whole life. I was like, wow, I don't even know. But yeah, it was cool. It also helped my leave out grow, because before I put it in, I wouldn't be able to do this hairstyle. Basically, my leave out is still short, but it definitely helped it grow. Would I get those twists again? Yes, I would. Sorry. Yes, I would get those twists again, because it's just such an easy hairstyle. Even in the winter months, it's such an easy hairstyle. It could rain on my head, it could snow. I don't gotta worry about my leave out, anything like that. So that was good. Longevity for the hair could last longer. I was actually gonna even sell the twist, because I usually sell my hair when I'm done with it on eBay and people do buy it. I make money. This is how I got these ear pods. I made money from selling bundles and things like that, and I bought these ear pods. And you know the ear pods cost like $150 and stuff like that. So yeah, I have a little business with that situation. Anybody could do it basically. I can make a video on it if you like. I've been doing it for like a whole maybe like 2-3 years already, and I've made money from it, definitely, for sure. Instead of throwing your old bundles out, you can sell in New York. I can like give you the address of the lady that did my hair. Definitely highly recommend it. I like the color that I got. I think I got TB127 because I wanted that blonde look basically. Recommend the hair? Yes, I would. Would I get it done again? Yes, I actually am gonna get it done again. Probably maybe for summertime because I'm gonna probably just have it the whole summer. This hairstyle took about 2.5 hours because the part that takes the longer time is the individuals because she has to braid each individual area and then attach the twist onto it basically. So yeah, that's basically it. If you have any other questions, leave them down below and I'll answer them about the hair. But I definitely do recommend them. It's not sponsored. I bought them with my own money. I think it's pricey like I said, but I think it's definitely worth it for the amount of hair you get and the amount of like long lasting longevity out of it basically. And the compliments too, you know, that won't hurt. It makes your day. So don't mind me combing my hair. My hair is bothering me. But yeah, anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Please comment down below, subscribe, like the video so I can know that you want me to still make hair videos or I'm not gonna make any more. Not playing. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye.